to week 4 of Workflow Wednesdays. Today I'm going to walk you through how to connect a voice application to a call control workflow in Telnyx Flow. First, you need to log in and then create a workspace. I'm just going to be using my existing Workflow Wednesday workspace that I built for the purpose of these demos. And then we want to add a workflow. As always, you can build a workflow from scratch or from a template. And since today's demo is going to be pretty quick and not get into the nitty-gritty of how to build a workflow, I'm going to just choose blank canvas. You then need to name your workflow. I'm going to call this voice application demo. And then press create. So now we can actually get started building our workflow. You can right-click anywhere on the canvas to pull up the list of available nodes. Since we're building a call control workflow today, I'm going to select the inbound call node. As you can see, what pops up is the settings panel on the right-hand side that pretty much says the first thing we need to do is connect a call credential. A call credential allows you to test your calls directly in the interface due to a built-in call feature. So we're going to walk through how to set this up together. Telnyx makes it really simple. So first you just want to press here and you'll be taken to the SIP connection tab in the mission control portal. You want to just press create SIP connection. We're going to name this. I'm going to just name it SIP connection for demo. Select credentials, press create, and you'll be given a username and password. Just make sure to remember this username moving forward. Now you can add and select anything or deselect anything you need in order to customize your SIP connection. The one thing I'm going to add here is an outbound profile and then press complete. Awesome. So now what we can do is navigate back to Flow. And if we click on this call credential box, this SIP connection will pop up. So now that's connected, and the next step is to add in a voice profile. So again, we make it really simple. All you need to do is press here, and you'll be taken to the programmable voice tab in the mission control portal. So press create voice app, and then we're going to name this. I'm going to name this voice application demo. Just put my name on it. And then you need to input a dummy webhook URL. So this is just temporary and it will be overwritten in Flow, but for just simplicity's sake, I'm going to use the Telnyx homepage URL. And then we can press create. Again, you can configure this exactly how you need it to. I'm just going to set up an outbound profile, press next. So I don't have any available phone numbers. So what I'm going to do is click into numbers, assign numbers, by numbers. So again, you can choose a phone number that has any features you want. I'm going to just choose voice and HD voice and make it a local number. And then I went to school in South Bend, so let's see if they have any 574 numbers. Perfect. I'm going to just select this first number, add it to cart, and then I'm going to connect it to my voice application demo voice profile. Press place order. Awesome, and now it's there. So what we can do is actually go back to voice and programmable voice, see this profile, and make sure that number is connected, which it is. So now let's go back into Flow, click voice application, and it'll pop up. You just add it, and immediately at this point, you want to save your workflow. And then this notification about overriding the webhook pops up, so you just press update webhook, and there you have it. So from here, all you do is right-click on the canvas again to keep adding nodes to build your customized workflow. So dive in and get started with Flow today.